Have you ever wondered what makes vodka sauce so creamy and flavorful? Today, we're diving into the secrets behind this beloved pasta topping. Vodka sauce is a popular Italian-American creation that combines tomatoes, vodka, and cream. This sauce is made with just 7 ingredients and takes about 15 minutes to prepare. The key components of a classic vodka sauce include canned San Marzano tomatoes, fresh garlic, onion, cream, and vodka. These ingredients blend to create a rich flavor profile. Ina Garten's recipe for vodka sauce is renowned for its balance of flavors. The sauce is simmered with tomatoes, garlic, onion, and a splash of cream to create a perfectly balanced dish. Despite the name, vodka sauce does not have alcoholic content as its main flavor. The vodka helps to enhance tomato flavors and evaporates during cooking, leaving a rich taste. This versatile sauce can be served over penne pasta or zoodles. It pairs well with Parmesan cheese and fresh herbs, enhancing the overall dining experience. In summary, vodka sauce is a delicious blend of tomatoes, garlic, cream, and vodka that can be prepared quickly and easily in your own kitchen. It's a perfect example of simple yet flavorful cuisine. Now you know the secrets behind making restaurant-quality vodka sauce at home. Try it out and share your experiences in the comments below.